Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Smart Switch to move data wirelessly in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and you want to move your data wirelessly using Smart Switch, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open Smart Switch app into both phones, just like that. Just open that app, and here just select let's go from here, and then select wireless or cable if you want, and I'm going to select here. You just have to select which one you want to transfer. If you want to send from this phone, you can easily select the first option. If you want to receive on this phone, you can easily select that. As I'm going to select receive on this phone, and then select your phone model. That may be Android, Galaxy, or iPhone or iPad, and I'm going to select Galaxy or Android, and here just select wireless, and here you must have to select wireless on this phone. Now you just have to scan this QR code using this camera. So let's see how. Just push your camera on the QR code to scan that. And when you have scanned, your phone will be connected just like that. Now you just have to wait for it, and here phone has been connected. Now you have to wait for its loading, and then you can easily transfer your data. And here you have three options. If you want to transfer everything from your phone, you can easily select the first option. Here's the second option, which is just account, calls, contacts, and messages. And here's the third option, which is custom. I'm going to select custom from here, and let's customize my transfer. And there just tap on next. And here you have the option which one you want to transfer. Here accounts, calls and contacts, messages, apps, settings, images, videos, music and recordings, and here document and file. So you just have to select the custom item which you want to transfer, and I'm going to select documents and files from here, then select transfer. So it started transferring. So that's how you can easily use Smart Switch to move data wirelessly in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.